Man, I'm hungry. I'ma go eat the stick box.
You guys, I have a funny story. It's so funny, you're not gonna believe it. You tell us the story, tell us the story. Okay, so one time this. What was that sound? It sounded weird. Hi, would you like to come sit and talk with us? Oh, help me! I'm being attacked! I'm gonna get eaten alive! Ah! Ah! I think we're safe with this hiding spot. Ooh, I'm safe spot.
I'm full, so I'm gonna take a nap.